Hey, blessings, blessings. I am Michael from Integrity Cleaning Services. And today we're doing some restoration work on a fire damaged home. I can tell you I am honestly tired, but the work must be done. Alright guys, it's about 7 o'clock here in Jamaica. We're still working at the house. You definitely can't tell there was a fire. The walls are... Alright, day four. Day four. Day four. Day four. Day four. Day four. Yeah. Yeah.
I am impressed with the work you're doing. Just when I came and I saw it before, and know what I'm seeing, and you're not yet finished, and not yet completed, I'm impressed. Well done.
Thank you very much.